जो रखे हैं तूने कदम तू नज़्म नज़्म सा मेरे होठों पे ठहर जा मैं ख्वाब ख्वाब सा तेरी आंखों में जागूं रे तू इश्क इश्क सा मेरे रूह में आके बस जा जिस ओर तेरी शहनाई उस ओर मैं भागूं रे मुस्कुराना भी तुझी से सीखा है दिल लगाने का तू ही तरीका है एतबार भी तुझी से होता है खामोश में मैं कभी बाहों में है तेरी जिंदगी है
गुड़िया री गुड़िया तेरा गुड्डा परदेसिया जोड़ी आसमानी हो गई शगुन पे देखो शादमानी हो गई
तेरे संग यारा खुश रंग बहारा तू रात दीवानी मैं सर्द सितारा और तेरे संग यारा खुश रंग बहारा मैं तेरा हो जाऊं जो तू कर दे इशारा।
Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and yes, it's time again. This year this is going to be my first bridal makeup tutorial for 2018, and I really hope you guys will enjoy this look. And I actually kind of filmed this one in a very hectic situation because I am in the middle of shifting right now, and I am actually in my new apartment, so I don't know if it's like the setup is okay or not, but hopefully you guys will bear with me. And if you guys want to see how I did this look, then let's move on with the tutorial. I'm going to be starting off with my base makeup, and to prime my face today I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty pre-makeup base, and this is the Matte Perfection one. After applying the primer, I am going to be applying a liquid highlighter now. But the thing is that I usually don't do this step, but if you have watched my last year's bridal makeup tutorial, then I guess you guys have seen me using a liquid highlighter in that one. And why I like to use this liquid highlighter when it comes to bridal makeup tutorial is that it actually gives the skin a very nice glow. Like when you apply, sometimes I know that people actually think that if you apply highlighter beneath your foundation, then what's the point? It's not gonna show up, you're just going to be covering it up with your foundation. But no, that's not the case, because I've seen it personally. When I do actually use a liquid highlighter beneath my foundation, it actually makes the foundation glowy. Like, you know, the shimmer particles stays in your face when you apply it all over, and when you apply the foundation on top of it, so it kind of like mixes with that one, and it actually creates kind of like a glowy shimmery base, which is very subtle, but it is noticeable. If you closely look at your face, then you can notice it, and that glow is like something which helps to make you look like a glow from within type of thing. So for that reason I'm actually going to be using the liquid highlighter, and the one that I'm using is from Makeup Revolution, and this is in the shade Luminous Gold. And it's such a big explanation for just a liquid highlighter. I'm sorry for that, but let's move on. For color correcting, I'm taking my Girl Pro HD concealer, and this is in the shade Fawn. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty Faux Filter foundation, and this is in the shade 420G, which is Stuffy. done with the foundation, and now I'm going to be applying a concealer. And before doing that, I just want to show you guys something, and I do want to give a shout out to someone, and that is this box. I want to show you guys this box, and this is actually from Afshin. And if you guys don't know about Afshin, then what are you doing? Like, if you're staying in Bangladesh and you're a makeup lover, then you need to know about Afshin, because they are one like best like online shopping page in Facebook. Plus they do also have a website. Their website is like amazing, so you guys can actually find all the authentic products in their website or in their Facebook page. Like, if you're a makeup lover, and then you guys need to be there, you know, because they have everything, like every set that you might need, all the holiday collections, all the newest collection that is launching. So plus you can also pre-order from their website too. And they suddenly actually knocked me, and they were saying that they just want to send out something to me, and I was like, okay. So they actually sent out a lot of stuff, and I'm very thankful to you guys. Thank you so much, Afshin, for sending out these products. And I am very glad that they actually sent out this product, because they were very thoughtful, and a lot of the things are actually what I actually love and I have been eyeing for a long time to buy. And see what I'm talking about? This is the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. I was actually thinking of like buying these products from UK, because I will be soon visiting UK again. So I was actually like making a list of products that I might need, but just see, they actually sent out Huda Beauty products, like a Huda Beauty lipstick, 2 Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes, then this one. So I'm very thankful to you, Afshin. Thank you so much for sending out these products to me, and I cannot wait to like dig in and use this stuff. And if you guys have been in my channel, then you guys know that I'm a Huda Beauty hoarder. So I'm very happy. Alhamdulillah. So for concealer today, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer, and this is actually the first time that I'm going to be using it in front of camera, plus also in real life, because I haven't actually used this one. I didn't get any chance to use it because I am in the middle of shifting my home, so I'm in a very hectic schedule right now, so it's not possible for me to do makeup. So the shade that I'm going to be using is Cookie Dough 14N. And gladly, I would say that I don't know how they knew it or how they like, it's a coincidence, because I was actually also thinking of buying the shade Cookie Dough for myself. So thank you so much, and let's move on and use the concealer and see how it is, because I'm really excited to try this one out. So I'm just taking a little bit because I've seen that it's quite like full coverage, so let's not go overboard with this one. Wow, my under eye looks flawless. By the way, guys, I'm using this concealer to brighten up my face. Wow, so far so good. I'm loving it. Please bear with my ghostly face, and now I'm going to be setting it, and for that I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty Easy Pay powder in the shade Blondie. And this video is turning out to be quite a Huda Beauty tutorial, like, not that my every other tutorial is not like filled with Huda Beauty products, but whatever. It's just that I cannot like get over the brand, and I love Huda, and it's just that this is me. I love Huda. The base is complete, and now I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, and I'm going to be doing them off camera. But the thing is that I might actually do them darker, so please don't get scared when you see them. For my eye makeup today, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsession eyeshadow palette. So with the brush, I'm going to be taking this beautiful minty matte shade, and this is going to be working as my transition color. Now for my crease, I'm taking this navy blue eyeshadow. Again, going back with the minty shade. Now I'm taking my Makeup Revolution white concealer, and with the help of this, I'm going to be cutting my lid halfway through. For my lid color, I'm going to be taking this very beautiful matte lemon color. Again, taking the dark navy blue eyeshadow to pack it in the outer V. And blending out the lemon green shade with the minty blue color. Now taking the royal blue shade a little bit to kind of make everything a little bit vibrant. For the outer half of my lower lash line, I'm taking this dark navy blue shade, and later in the inner side I'm going to be packing on this shade, and after that I'm going to be just slightly blending it out with the minty sky blue shade. Now for my tight line and waterline, I'm taking this Alix Avien Blue Kajal. Now on top of the lid color, I'm going to be applying my Stila liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Gold Goddess. I'm going to be applying my Maybelline Master Ink eyeliner. For highlighting my brow bone and inner corner, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution Ultra Cool Highlighter Palette, and from this one I'm taking this green shade. For mascara, I'm going to be using my Sigma Sinousity Lash Curler Mascara, and to save some money you can use my code BASMA at sigmabeauty.com, and that will save you 10%. Back to the face makeup, and now I'm going to be bronzing up my face, and for that I'm going to be using my W7 bronzer. I'm bronzing up my face quite heavily, and after that also I'm going to be doing some contouring to make my cheeks a little bit more chiseled. For the contour, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. For blush, I'm going to be using my all-time favorite blush from Ofra, and this is in the shade Punch. For highlighter, at first I'm taking the Huda Beauty Bronze Sands Edition, and from this one, I am going to be using the cream highlighter. Now to layer the powder highlight, I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty Winter Solstice highlighter palette, and I am taking this golden highlighter which is called Northern Lights. Finally, to line my lips, I'm taking the Huda Beauty Lip Contour, and this is in the shade Heartbreaker. I did line my lips with the shade Heartbreaker, but I am not going to be using the exact same lip shade for the liquid lipstick. I am taking the shade Famous from Huda Beauty. This is quite a deep one than the Heartbreaker. For a little bit of ombre, now I'm taking the Too Faced liquid lipstick in the shade It's Happening. And to finally finish off everything, now I'm using my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. So this is the final look after finishing the rest of my makeup and after wearing all the accessories, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this one and this was somewhat helpful for you guys. And all the product details will be given down in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. And if you guys still haven't subscribed into my YouTube channel, then make sure that you subscribe. And if you are not following me in Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and also in Snapchat, then do follow me there too. And I will catch you guys again in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye bye.
जो रखे हैं तूने कदम, तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम। हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना, जीना कैसे जीना, ना सीखा जीना तेरे